Hi, Rod Tanks from Smart Fabrics. Today we're going to be talking about connecting your G-Tech fabric keyboard to your BlackBerry handset. So before we begin, there's two things that we need to do. Firstly, gather all the ingredients that you need, which is the G-Tech fabric keyboard, your BlackBerry handset, two AAA batteries, your PC connected to the internet so that we can download the application, and the USB cable, which is a method of transferring the application onto your handset. Now, before we can do any of that, what we need to do is understand the environment that your handset is operating in. There's two environments. One is a standalone, and the second environment is a BES environment, which is your BlackBerry Enterprise server. If your handset is connected under the BES environment, you need to get the permission of the administrator to download the application onto the handset. So before you can do anything, if you're under a BES environment, you need to have a chat with your administrator. But if not, let's move on. Our first step is to open up an internet browser. Go to gtechaustralia.com.au and click on the Download Centre, which appears in the top right hand menu. Once that page is loaded, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see Step 1. Step 1 highlights to us the BlackBerry drivers for the Pearl handset and BlackBerry drivers for all other handsets. So click on the relevant link and download the drivers to your desktop. Once the application is downloaded and you've located it from your desktop, you'll need to open up those files and extract both of them. Now you'll see there's an ALX file and a COD file. Both of those are needed in order to pair the keyboard with the handset. Once you've extracted the files, you go and launch the BlackBerry Desktop Manager. This is the service used to transfer the application across to the handset. On this screen will be the application loader. Double click there and press Next. This should automatically populate the device application selection with the fabric keyboard application. If not, click Add up in the top corner and select the fabric keyboard application. By pressing Next, that will go away and synchronize the two. Once the application's finished loading and you've closed the BlackBerry Desktop Manager window, follow the safe removal of hardware procedure and unplug your BlackBerry. Your handset and go to the front screen. Scroll around a little bit and somewhere on that screen will be the fabric keyboard application, just to confirm that it's there. If it's not appearing on this menu, then we'll need to follow the application loading steps once again in order to get it back onto the phone. So what we need to do now is enable the keystroke injection on your BlackBerry. So on the menu screen, go to Options, click through to Advanced Options, through to Applications, scroll down to the Fabric Keyboard application, click on there, click the track wheel once to edit permissions, select Edit Permissions, scroll down to Interactions, press the space bar and click the track wheel to edit this permission. Select Allow and then select Escape, which is the backwards arrow next to your track wheel. We need to save those options and now we just press Escape all the way back to the main menu. Our next task is to set up the Bluetooth pairing connection between the G-Tech fabric keyboard and your handset. On the main menu, go to Set up Bluetooth and enter there. It may tell you to turn a Bluetooth device on, just press OK. What we need to do now is move across to the fabric keyboard, press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until the light comes on. The light will then flash a few times. When the light is solid green, the keyboard is in pairing mode. select yes out of the options to search for a new device. That'll take a couple of seconds to locate. The handset will report that it's found a phone or keyboard. Select keyboard and then press 0000 on your keypad and select OK. That'll report back saying that the keyboard is now paired, and if you've got your Bluetooth indicator light up the top, it will now flash blue. The Bluetooth pairing procedure is a procedure you only need to go through once. However, each time you want to use your handset in conjunction with your GTEC Fabric keyboard, you need to connect the two. So on your front menu, find the Fabric keyboard icon, click in there. Move over to your GTEC Fabric keyboard, press and hold the power button until the light comes on, then release. It'll blink a few times and then hold solid. Now your handset may report connection failed, but this is just due to a slight time delay. So if you just press OK, what you need to do is check the status of your connection. If you're connected, you're good to go. If not, re-follow these steps in order to connect your handset. Once your keyboard is connected, the first time you use it, it's a good idea to run through the calibration procedure. Press the track wheel, scroll through to calibration. Press again to start calibration. There's a 3-key keying procedure, which is Alt, there's plus minus, there's arrow down, and that will complete the calibration procedure. When you're calibrating, it's a good idea to press the center of the keys in order to get the best result. Press escape and then you're ready to go with your GTEC Fabric keyboard. Thanks for running through the few steps to connect your GTEC Fabric keyboard. The final step for you is to go to our website and register your product to ensure that you receive the proper support and also any product updates. If you have any technical concerns, please call us 1300 556932 or drop us an email from our website. Thank you.